Hi everyone, and welcome back to IvyJade. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made these beautiful wine bottle vases, and I turned them into a really nice centerpiece for my kitchen table for Christmas. They are super cute. I love how they came out. My theme this year is the buffalo plaid black and white with red, white, and silver. I love this buffalo plaid look. I started it last year. Every year I usually do a different theme, but last year I did the buffalo plaid and I was just obsessed with it. So this year I decided to keep the theme. Before we go on to me showing you how I made these beautiful bottles, make sure that you click that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notification bell so you get notified every single time I post a brand new video. So yeah guys, so let's get started. So my bottles are all prepped. I removed the labels off of them. I can show you at another video how I did that. This is the spray paint that I will be using. It is a Krylon brand, Fusion All-in-One, and it is a satin bright white. I use this spray paint quite often for different types of DIYs that I have done in the past. And one of the big projects I did was spray painting my outdoor cushions in a hot red color with this paint, and it worked great. So this is definitely a good spray paint to use for different types of DIY projects. Okay, so we're back guys. So I have my bottles here and they are nice and white and they have a nice matte look to it. If you guys seen my get ready with me video, if not, make sure you check it out. You'll know how much I love matte even on my makeup. So this is what they look like. They're nice and white. And then I have this one. So next what I'm going to do is I am going to be spraying them with a spray adhesive. And I got this Krylon spray adhesive and I got it at Michael's. And it's an all-purpose. I actually use this as well for, I like to make bottles in the summertime that are wine bottles, but I turn them into tiki torches, and sometimes I'll add glitter on them, or sometimes I'll add little stones, and this is what I use, either this or Mod Podge. If you guys don't know what that is, I will show you at another video. It's also kind of like a glue adhesive. So I'm gonna spray some of this in order to put my little snowflakes. These are my snowflakes. And they were $4.99 at Michael's. I'm sure I probably could have found this at maybe like at the dollar store or something, but I was just in a rush. I seen them. And I like these because they have kind of like an iridescent little shimmer to them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to be spraying my bottles with the adhesive, and then I'm gonna be sprinkling some of the snow onto the bottle. Now I'm not gonna do the whole, bottle for all three bottles. I'm actually gonna do 3 variations of it. So example is this one, for example, I may only do half of it from here down with some snow. Maybe this one I'll do from about here up with snow. And then this one, maybe I'll just do the middle with snow. Something to that effect, just to kind of give it some variation. So I'm going to be using this little piece of cardboard, and I'm only going to use it just to kind of give my bottle a little bit of a straight line when I'm spraying it. This bottle, I'm going to start at the bottom. And by the way, you want to put a plate so that way you can pick up the snow and sprinkle it on your bottle. So I'm probably going to go from the bottom up. to about here, maybe up to the middle here. Now normally I would be doing this outside, but because it is very cold, we're not going there. And also because this can tend to be very smelly. The smell of this is, it's pretty strong. You want to pat it a little bit just so you can make sure that they're all in place, or stick as much as possible. And here is my first one. This is what it looks like. Has that nice shimmering effect to it. I'm gonna let this sit down over here and just dry, and move on to the next one. So this one, I think I'm probably going to do it, maybe I'll just do the top on this one. And I actually am thinking of doing the entire bottle on this one, but we shall see. So I'm gonna do the same thing. Use my little cardboard, go down about here in the middle, and spray my bottle. This is how this one looks like. And I don't want it perfectly, I didn't want the line to be perfectly round. I'm sorry, straight, so it doesn't matter that, you know, it's a little bit down here. I mean, that's what snow does, right? So this is what we're going with. So this bad boy, we're gonna do the whole bottle. I think it'll look super cute instead of just doing the middle, because I really like the way this snow effect looks. Okay guys, so this is how they look. They are done. And I hope you can see it in the camera. The little iridescent snow. They're super cute. And here's the other one. It is super messy to do, so if you have a specific place where you can do them, maybe a basement, because this was really messy. I did it in my kitchen and just put a trash bag, but it is super messy, and the smell, like I said, is of the adhesive spray is definitely strong. So you may want to do it in a place where you can open the windows and air out some of that smell, or maybe even use a face mask. I'm sure we all have those laying around somewhere. Now I'm going to put the base inserts in that I bought again at Michael's. So let's move on to that. So this is the plate that I got to put my bottle vases on, and it was $2.99 again at Michael's. And I wanted something that was the bright red that I wanted. It has a little bit of a shiny texture to it and very decorative, so I thought that this would be perfect. I think the bottles may be a little bit too big for the inner circle, but that's okay. We're gonna make it work. These are what I bought to put inside of the vases. They're these really pretty, they look like little cherry balls or something. They're red and they're sparkly, and so I bought 3 of these to put in, 1 in each, and these were $1.99 each. But with the, can you see that? Well, they were $1.99 each. And I had a coupon because I love coupons, and they came out to be 30% off. And then I got these really pretty silver ones. These ones are more like almost like a fake tree kind of looking. And these were $12.99, but I used the coupon for 30% off, so they didn't come out as expensive. This is just one whole branch, so I'm gonna cut the pieces off and put 1 in each. I don't want it to be too full. I want it to look nice and classy and simple but beautiful, so I'm only gonna put 1 branch of these in each. Okay, you guys, so this is how they look. They came out super cute. I love them. One thing I will say is if you are not a person that likes glitter, you may want to choose a different option for your vase insert, because I got glitter and these were definitely challenging because there was glitter all over the place. But look how pretty they came out to be. Super cute. So yeah guys, so that is how I made these beautiful vases, these wine bottles into vases. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you give it a try, whether it's with this type of style or any style that you choose. Comment down below if you would like to see any other types of DIYs. Until next time.